Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL One S 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings, and now we have to slide a little bit down to the general category. Here at the third position we have the grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and in the preview we have these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that the grid lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the left corner button, slide down to the general category in the settings and tap to the grid button from the right to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.